Hello, Professor. In this opportunity, we will give the solution to the test 1 of the course Vehicle Engineering. First, I will present my team. My partner, Ronald Muñoz Torres, whose recording is Cesar Augusto Olivas, and my name is Elias Pan Martinez. To continue, I will read the exercise. The Scania 442 series air tag of wheel is a running unit for all types of materials and whatever the condition, as it supports 31 tons of cargo with the integrated platform, and also has 4 support points, 2 on each axis and 2 traction points located on the 2 rear axles. The first question is calculate the resistance present in the vehicle. And the second question is analysis of weight and dimensions and classification according to the regulation of the MPC.
To continue, we are going to start the one activity in where says calculate the resistance present in the vehicle. Well, we know the different resistance are the aerodynamic resistance, the rolling resistance, the slope resistance, and the inertia resistance. In first, we calculate the aerodynamic resistance. For it is necessary to know the dimensions of the surface. For it, the average speed is 60 kilometers per hour, and this velocity in meters and second is 16.67. The formula to calculate the aerodynamic resistance is equal 1 divided 2 for the resistance aerodynamic coefficient, for the transversal section, the surface of truck, and for air density, and for the speed squared. In this the equation and all the result, the answer is 1,530 and 30.39 newtons.
To continue, I will talk about the slope resistance. The slope resistance is a force that opposes the vehicle in a climb. This depends the angle of the climb and the weight of the vehicle. The resistance to slope is calculated with the following formula. For it is necessary the truck weight, that is 45 tons. The formula is alpha sin for weight truck, the truck weight. Well, in this replace it in the equation with the angle for the weight of the vehicle, and the answer is 114,255.67 newtons.
To continue the explain the exercise, I will resolve the rolling resistance. Now, what is the rolling resistance? The rolling resistance is the force that opposes the direction of the vehicle, and that makes the tire less efficient. Well, here have the formula for calculating rolling resistance, that is W, that is weight of the vehicle, for rolling resistance for the tire radius. Well, for select the coefficient of rolling resistance, have 0.017, and the weight of the truck with loadless 40,000 kilograms tire radius is 52 centimeters, rolling resistance equal 0.017, and acceleration of gravity equal 9.81 meters to seconds squared. Well, from this data, we can calculate the rolling resistance. So, calculating all this is 40,432.02 newtons meter.
Continuing with the explanation, I will talk about resistance to inertia. To having an initial velocity of 0 km/h and the final velocity is 15 km/h in the time of 3 seconds. Also having a weight of 45 tons. So, resistance for inertia is equal to the mass for acceleration, and the acceleration is equal to the final velocity minus initial velocity between time. Having the mass and acceleration, you can calculate the resistance for inertia, that is 62,100 newtons.
Well, the part B is analysis of weights and dimension and classification according to the regulation of the MTC or Ministerio de Transportes. Here we have all the dimensions of the track, and according to the regulation, the Scania track is in the category N3 because have a weight more than 12 tons.
Well, here we have the Article 8 of the Reglamento Nacional de Vehículos with Decreto Supremo número 058 del 2003 del Ministerio de Transportes y Comunicaciones. Here says that all the vehicles of the N series must have the VIN, and what is this? Is the vehicle identification number. If the vehicle don't have this, it's necessary present the chassis number or the engine number. And we can see the Article 8. In the next part we have the Article 36 and 37, and say the state that it should be writing on the side of its length if it exceeds 18 meters. So I need to write the length of the vehicles if exceed the 18 meters. And Article 37 says that the weight maximum allowed in vehicles is 48 tons. Then we have, if we consider the type of the vehicle, that is Scania 442, we can see the maximum weight of the vehicle without body is 18 tons and the maximum length is 12.3 meters, and we can see here. Then considering the number of tires and the two wheels driven, 442, the Scania truck should have a maximum weight of 16 tons for axle, because the Scania truck will have traction only in 2 tires, and we can see this in the picture. And the last part we have the weight and the maximum 8. The maximum weight is 2.6 meters and the maximum 8 for the N series is 4.10 meters. and the maximum length for the body is 10 meters for the N series, for the track the N series, and we can see this in the picture.